So, today I'm going to make a double Dutch cheeseburger. Now, you may ask, why is it called a double Dutch cheeseburger? Well, don't worry about it. Why are you asking questions when you could be eating a nice cheeseburger? So, let's get started. So, the first thing you want to do is grab 2 juicy beef patties and put them in a pan for about 6 to 8 minutes. So 3 to 4 minutes each side. Add a slice of nice ripe cheese to each burger while they're cooking. Grab a nice bun and cut it in half. And add the 2 parts to your pan for a little toast. Grab a tomato and cut it into slices. With your burgers baked, your bread toasted and your tomato sliced, it is time to assemble your burger. First, start with the bottom of a bun. Add some lettuce, burger with cheese, some tomato and 2 slices of pickle. This is going to be a big one, a very big cheeseburger. Add again some lettuce, some tomato. Let's do 1 slice this time. Grab the top of your bun and add some yellow mustard to it. Together with some ketchup and finally some mayo. Oops. And wham! A big fat double Dutch cheeseburger. This is going to be fun to eat. Okay, so it looks really nice, but eating it will be a little bit tricky. Let's see how it goes. Maybe if I smash it a little bit. Alright, I need 2 hands for this. Now that's a good cheeseburger. Wow. Very nice. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.